This is just a quick overview of TubeStreamer. When you first start up the app, you're taken to its home screen right here, just like this. If you want to select an event that you've already created, just tap the Events button. Here you see a list of events that you may have already created. I'm going to select Test 3. You'll notice that the stream name is automatically entered for me. Let's go start the camera. We're going to do some live streaming. At this point, you'll start the encoder by tapping the Start Encoder button. This just happens to be a land speed record car I'm working on, radio controlled. We were live streaming to YouTube right now. If I wanted to start the event, I would tap the Start Event button. But this is just a little quick overview, so we're going to just go ahead and exit the encoder. This will take me back to the home screen. Let's say I needed to create a new event. Tap the Events button again. Tap the New Event button. Now enter your title. You can select the category you want. You can select the video mode, privacy mode. You can set a number of settings. Enter a description. We're not going to create an event this time, just showing you how it's done. Let's exit back. If you have more than one channel, you can tap the Channels button to select one of your other channels. Or if you haven't selected any channel at all, you can select one of them. That will take you to a different screen, and you can sign in to YouTube at that point. But let's just exit out. I've already selected a channel, which is in my name. And that's about the extent of accessing any user information for using your account. You can create events, you can start up events, stop events. I can delete one of these events. I can go back to the event screen. I can long press on the Test 3 and it takes me back in to the editor. You'll see a delete button shows up. This also shows where you can copy the embedded player code or the actual YouTube page where you can watch the video. You can long press on it and select it. You can copy it and you can go to your favorite email program or share program to send it to all your friends. In this case, we're just going to delete this. You tap it once, tap it again, and that particular event gets deleted. You'll see it no longer shows up. Let's exit back to the home screen. I'll have more videos as time goes on. This one is just a quick starter, just to get you introduced a little bit. Thanks for watching. Bye.